Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction for each of the following questions. Choose the word which does not belong to the group, and the word goes as first era, second aeon, third age, and fourth epoch. Option first, third, and fourth, these all belong to a long distance, period of. And aeon, it is an indefinite period. We cannot define that particular period. So the odd one out is option second. So the answer to our question is option second. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction for each of the following questions. Choose the word which does not belong to the group. The word are melancholy, lamentation, nauseous, and dejection. The word melancholy, lamentation, and dejection are synonyms, which means depression, gloom, misery, sorrow, etc. And the odd one out is nauseous, which means harmful or poisonous. So the answer to our question is option third. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Dirkha. Direction for each of the following questions. Choose the option which does not belong to the group, and the words is knack, flair, incompetence, and dexterity. Now the word knack, flair, and dexterity are in the same meaning, which means talent, bent, aptitude, aptness, etc. And the odd one out is incompetent. So the answer to our question is option third. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. In the following sentence, the whole of the sentence is underlined. Beneath that sentence, 4 different ways of phrasing the underlined part are indicated. Choose the best alternative from among the 4. To the answer now. Option number 1 can be said incorrect, as the usage of the comma after the words you observe and discover here is redundant, that is, unnecessary. The words following you observe and discover should be in continuation, and therefore it is wrong. Option number 2 can also be said incorrect for the same reason. Also, the words how can you live in simplicity poses the question, while in the original sentence what is observed and discovered is the way of living in simplicity, and therefore 2 is also not right. Option number 3 is incorrect, as it is an unnecessary elaboration. Thus, option number 4 can be said correct because it is the clearest expression of thought. So, our answer is option 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Directions. In the following sentence, a part of the sentence is underlined. Beneath that underlined part are given 4 different ways of phrasing it. Choose the best alternative from among the 4. To the answer now. Option number 1 is, on analyzing the history of every era, one finds that one is bound not to commit errors. Option number 2 is incorrect, as it is grammatically incorrect. The word after in the sentence depicts that after completing the work of the analysis of history, the conclusion can be drawn, while in the original sentence, both the action of analysis and drawing the conclusion are going together. Option number 3 and 4 are also incorrect, as they are too wordy. Thus, option number 1 is the clearest expression of thought, and hence is our answer. The answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.